Big house, big car, backseat, full bar. Houseboat won't float, the bank won't tote to know. Too much stuff. It's just too much stuff. They'll hang you up, dealing with too much stuff.
Hanging out on the couch, putting on the pounds. Better walk, run, jump, swim, try to hold it down. Eating too much stuff. Too much stuff. It'll wear you down, carrying around too much stuff.
$100 cab ride, Falcon, can't fly, Greyhound, Amtrak, auto bought a Cadillac. Too much stuff. Ooh, too much stuff. It'll slow you down with too much stuff. But it's way too much. You're never gonna get enough. You can pile it high, but you'll never be satisfied. Rent a tux, shiny shoes, backstage, big smooth, vocal group, can't sing, won awards for everything. Too much stuff. Ooh, too much stuff. They just keep on going, rolling and all that stuff.
Got hurt, can't work, got a lot of bills, but the policy don't pay unless I get killed. Too much stuff. Too much stuff. Just my luck, counting on too much stuff.
Well, it's way too much. You're never gonna get enough. You can pile it high, but you'll never be satisfied. Running back can't score till he gets a million more. Quarterback can't pass, owner wants his money back. Too much stuff. Too much stuff. You know you can't get a grip when you're slipping in all that stuff. Women every which way, messing with my mind. You know I fall in love every day, 3 or 4 times. Too much stuff. Oh, too much stuff. It'll mess you up, fooling with too much stuff. Yeah, too much stuff. Too much stuff. Ooh, too much stuff.
Too much stuff.
You'll never get enough, 'cause there's just too much stuff. You know you can hurt yourself fooling with too much stuff. Yeah, it'll tear you down fooling with all that stuff.
That's a lot of stuff.
That's a whole lot of stuff.
There's just too much of it, man.
Yeah, I know.
There's more stuff
Is that your stuff?
than you know what to do.
That's a lot of stuff.
I have hurt myself.
Might be too much.
Seriously hurt myself.
A sus puestos. Venimos a la línea. Sin pisar.
Que dentro de breves instantes les van a entregar los premios. Está corriendo la carrera de 10 kilómetros.
Castígalo.
Donde hay varios atletas ya importantes.
Vamos. Vamos.
y algunos más atletas ya a nivel nacional.
Localiza más chavalas. No puedes hacer nada, solo mirar para él.
Vamos. Vamos. Vamos.
Se le fue la otra, se le fue la otra.
10 segundos. Al final me recompuse un poquito también. Volví y dejé verlo abajo. Vamos. Sí, sí. Mira, faltan estes dos, acaso podemos salir por aquí. Sí, vai que hai os dous ciclistas, somos dous ciclistas, xa podemos cruzar. Aí está. Están aí e xa podemos cruzar. Sí, para lá. Vale.